Embark on a journey through zikSA, where each module is a cornerstone of our revolutionary online learning platform. Conceived in the creative crucible of a 24-hour hackathon at VIT, zikSA is the embodiment of educational innovation. At the heart of zikSA lies the power of personalization. Choose your role: admin, educator, or general user, and step into a dashboard that's tailored just for you. Each dashboard is a command center, a launchpad for your unique educational journey. Let's delve into the modules that make zikSA a beacon of knowledge. User registration and authentication, your passport to a world of learning. With cutting-edge security, registering is as easy as it is secure, setting the stage for a personalized educational experience. Course management, the canvas where educators paint their vision. Admins have the power to create, modify, and nurture the growth of courses, shaping the educational landscape. Payment integration, the bridge between learners and premium content. Our streamlined payment process ensures that investing in your education is as simple as it is secure. Rating, the voice of the community. Share your experiences, provide feedback, and help shape the future of zikSA with our star-based rating system. Quiz game, where learning meets play. Challenge yourself, earn rewards, and solidify your knowledge through interactive quizzes that make education fun. Personalized learning platform, education that adapts to you. Choose your level, and embark on a learning path that's as unique as you are. And let's not forget the parallax effect. It's not just a visual treat, it's an immersive experience that brings depth and dynamism to your learning journey. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, explore, and transform the way you learn with zikSA. Education is no longer just about information, it's about transformation. And for the curious minds, the source code of zikSA is just a click away. Check the link in the description and become a part of this open-source educational odyssey. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.